Another great thing with this this vehicle, if you go to your iTunes, you see at the bottom the red triangle and 3 red circles. It says Land Rover there. So there's a tick next to Land Rover. I'll just turn this down, go back, and then here we click auxiliary. Now that's come up on the tune that's playing on my iPhone. Sometimes, let's just try it again, yeah, line in. So there's a couple of choices. So you may have to press it once, you may have to press it twice, but that's it playing there. I'll turn that up to a reasonable volume, and then I'll turn this up quickly just so you can hear it. It is playing. It was playing very loud as well. That's it, that's how you do it.